stuff. We wanted to go up this mountain, but the cable car isn't running yet for the season, which is really too bad because it's like really nice outside. But there's a really cool toboggan ride thing here. We may have had to exaggerate a little bit on Winston's age in order to do this.
He looks like he's 4.
People always think he's 4 or 5, so we're fine.
Okay, Winston, are you ready to go up the mountain? Do you want to go on that racetrack?
Yeah. That racetrack is fun.
Have fun! See you at the bottom!
All the way up there. You want to go in the blue one?
Yeah.
Here we go!
Way up there.
So I'm pretty sure this thing goes way faster than I thought. Just watching some of the people that are going down, they are flying. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. Are you okay?
No.
You okay, bud?
No, I want to do it that again.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Here they come! How was it? Fast?
Yeah.
It looked pretty fast. I saw
Did
you
you
come
see
down.
us?
I saw you around the last corner.
Ripping fast.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Daddy, I want to do it again.
Oh wow.
I guess
It's
they call it
it's like a roller coaster.
They call it a coaster.
Yeah. It's basically a roller coaster. And I cannot believe he loved it that much.
Oh yeah?
Like yeah, some parts he was kind of gripping on, but
Yeah.
I thought he'd be a little bit scared, but he loved it.
Nice.
Oh, that's a thrill. Wow. I feel like I've just been on a roller coaster. Love it.
This is called the Zillertal Arena. From what we understand about it, it's just kind of the hub for skiing and different adventure activities. So they have the cable car that runs up the mountain here for skiing and hiking. We actually came here to visit a place called the Spruce Tree something. It's just a really cool, massive park with a really spruce tree castle. Anyways, Google it, it looks really cool, but it's not open yet. The cable car isn't running for the season, so that was kind of disappointing. But there's still a really awesome playground here, and trampolines, and the boys did that little toboggan coaster, which was awesome. So yeah, still plenty of stuff to do, lots of fun to be had.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Really yummy. Winston, try So we're just going for a little walk. It's an absolutely beautiful evening. But there's this little church that we stumbled upon here that we're going to check out. I'm standing on one end of the church, and they're standing on the other end of the church.
I have room for 5 people to kneel and pray.
Everything is in German, so we can't really read the history or whatever this information is. That's the tour. Smallest church I've ever been in.
Yeah.
Kind of right at the base of this mountain. It's very peaceful. Winston's calling for the animals, but so far none have responded. And the golf course is right to our left here. I won't lie, I'm a bit jealous. We're staying basically like a minute away from this course, and haven't picked up a club in like over half a year. Watching these people golf every day is like torture. But the green fee is like €100, and I don't think I'm about to spend that kind of cash on a round of golf. Plus I'll have to rent everything, I don't have any gear with me, so I don't know. I don't mind paying for a decent golf course, but when I haven't golfed in 6 months, I know I'm going to be absolutely horrible. So to spend 150 or 200 bucks on a round of golf when I'm just going to shoot like the worst round ever, yeah, it's just not really worth it for me. But mind you, sometimes it's just worth it to experience the beautiful course and the beautiful surroundings, and this one provides exactly that. So much beautiful scenery in this area.